Do you have a similar experience that in a tea shop you like the tea and buy it home, while you feel frustrated not to make the tea the same taste as the tea sommelier does? Actually, such a case happens often. So here comes the question, what is tea art? Tea art is about how to make a good cup of tea and how to appreciate a cup of tea well. To get there, you need to take the following factors into consideration, like your understanding of the tea, water, teawares, brewing scale, your mindset, and aesthetics value. Hello, there are lots to learn. That's why you have me. So, in Chapter 8, let's learn together how to make a good cup of tea. And we are going to have some fun. Expect it?